Introducing Champaka, Magnolia champaka of the family Magnoliaceae. Champaka is a small tree with hairy young branches growing to 8 meters tall. Leaves have large stipules, simple, alternate, ovate, lanceolate, acuminate, 20 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Flowers are axillary, solitary, yellowish brown to 5 centimeters long, very fragrant. Champaka is native to the Himalayas. It is cultivated in towns and cities in the Philippines, but has limited distribution. Champaka flower holds a special place in Ayurveda due to its many health benefits. This fragrant flower helps balance the body's energies, treats skin problems, and is digestive in respiratory issues. It can also reduce stress and anxiety. In Ayurveda, champaka is used in various forms such as tea, oils, and powders. Scientific studies support its traditional uses, showing that it has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Champaka is important for health and plays a significant role in Indian culture, rituals, and perfumes.